G'day everyone, it's Chris Carlin here, masteryourmoneynow.com.au, helping you take control of your finances from the comfort of your own home. And what I'm going to talk about in this week's Whiteboard Wednesday is salary packaging. What is salary packaging? How does it work? And what does the numbers look like? I'm going to give a very practical example of what the numbers look like. So salary packaging is when you're packaging something like your rent, your credit cards, your mortgage, or potentially a car as well, and packaging that into your salary. Effectively, how it works is you're using pre-tax income to pay for those sort of benefits rather than after-tax income. So this is not available to a lot of employees. This is only available to those who work in a public hospital, so your nurses, your midwives, some doctors as well, and then those who work at a charity as well. So there's a lot of different numbers that are happening here, and all of them have got different thresholds. So if you work in a charity, you can package more than those who work in a hospital. But if you're, unfortunately for 90% of employees, this opportunity, the way I'm going to present it, is not available. So what I want to do in this particular scenario is assume a nurse, okay? And a nurse earns $3,000 per week before tax, so $78,000 a year, which is about on par for a full-time or 0.8 nurse. So let's say before tax, no salary packaging with salary packaging, they're going to earn $3,000. So same amount of hours, same amount worked, earn $3,000 before tax. The difference is, on this side, we're going to assume that you're packaging your mortgage repayments. Now, the maximum you can package each year as a nurse or a midwife is $9,010 per year, which equates to $346.53 per fortnight, okay? So, and the way that works is pre-tax. We're using pre-tax money to fund this, which means that the taxable income is $2,653.47. Cents are very important, of course, not really. And whereas if you're not salary packaging, your tax is based on $3,000 per fortnight. Okay, so you can already see there's a difference in the taxable income. With the person who's not salary packaging, the tax being withheld is $712, whilst the tax being withheld here is $592. This is assuming that you are claiming the tax-free threshold and also that you don't have a HECS or help debt as well. One of the things that catches people out when it comes to salary packaging, and I see this time and time again with nurses and midwives, is they do this salary packaging because it does save them tax, but then they get a big tax bill at the end of the year because salary packaging does increase your HECS or HELP university debt repayments. So just something to keep in mind out for there. So in this example, we'll assume that doesn't apply. So as you can see, less tax being paid, but most importantly, under this scenario, the person who's not salary packaging has still got to pay for the mortgage, but we're using after-tax dollars. So the $346.53, whereas the person who has salary package has already paid that. So when you add it all up, in the bank account, after paying for the mortgage or credit card or whatever it might be, you're left with $1,941.47 if you did nothing, if you did not salary package. But if you did salary package, you've got $2,061.47 in your bank account, which is a saving, I'm going to get down here, $120 per fortnight, which equals 3,100, I'm just looking at my notes here, $3,120 per annum. That's how much tax that you save every single year by salary packaging. You have not worked a single hour more, you have not worked any harder, you've just worked smarter. This is a legitimate strategy that a lot of people use, but you've just got to be mindful of particularly the HECS and help debt side of things, and also beware of the Centrelink side of things as well, because this can have a detrimental impact on some Centrelink benefits. So just something to keep mindful of there. So if this is something that, if you're a nurse, a midwife, and you're not doing this strategy, it's probably worth talking to someone. And if this is something that is of interest to you, what I want you to do is go to masteryourmoneynow.com.au/get started and book in your 30-minute money strategy session with myself or one of my team, completely free, only takes 30 minutes. We get to know a bit more about your situation and how we can potentially help you. And if this is something that you're not doing and want to have a bit more of a chat about, then we're more than happy to have that discussion with you. My name's Chris Carlin from masteryourmoneynow.com.au. Looking forward to seeing you next week's Whiteboard Wednesday.